Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So, 3 quick things on testimonials, reviews, why they're so important and how to get them. First of all, the reason they're so important is social proof, right? It's because human nature is that all of us sort of trust what other people say about someone more than what they say about themselves. Well, same thing with a business. You appreciate what other customers said about a business more than what that company says about themselves. So if we can get testimonials, reviews from real clients, it means a lot. So how do you do that? Well, grabbing the opportunities when they present themselves. It's asking when you can. So if a customer really loved the carpet job or the tile job you did, jump on that. If a customer calls and says, by the way, you guys have really done a great job for us. We really appreciate your service. Thank you. Absolutely. Thank you. But when you're at the point where you need some reviews, some testimonials, you have to go that other step for a while and say, by the way, can I ask you something? We're trying to grow. It would mean the world to us to have a review by a real customer like yourself that's happy with us. Would you be willing to do that for us? You'd be amazed at how many people are out there that would be willing to do that. It's quite surprising if we ask. And the last thing, of course, is 3, try to make it easy for them. So try not to make it too difficult. If you can offer to actually record the video yourself, maybe you want to bring in a little videographer to help you with it. Whatever you can do to collecting that positive video testimonial or review, you want to try to do that. It helps the process. 3 quick things, all important about reviews. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.